trying to work with you one day too and shit. Once I get better on that level and shit.
Yeah.
I'm trying to work
putting
with
that work. You on that Rich Barber method?
Yeah.
What's up, y'all? We here at BarberCon, just arrived. We outside. I haven't walked in yet, but yeah, you know what I mean? A lot of love, you know what I mean? Already tapping in with the industry, so let's go see what's going on inside and see what's popping. You know what I mean? What's up, bro? What's up, man?
Barber from Dallas.
From Dallas?
Yeah. Hey, it's your boy Tiller, cuz we out here at LA BarberCon, you already know. I'm out here with the flyest man on planet Earth. You feel me? All I want to do is bar his shirt so I can go on a date in Africa. You feel me? They call me Black Jesus, and I'm out here with peace, and I'm out here showing love, baby. I like your boy.
Send it back to us, we'll give you a brand new one if that's an issue. Made in the United States.
And y'all don't sell the blades by themselves, do you?
No, we do. I don't have, no, I'm sold out.
It was all sold out on sold out online.
Because that's how I was trying to promote it. I said, look, you buy the taper blade, then you buy a fade blade if you're doing a lot of men's, or you know, and vice versa, right? You buy the taper because that way you get all the combs, right?
Donovan has them, so he said, Chuka's here, and I was like, where? Oh, shit.
Jay Faded, let me tell Jay Faded's story. Jay Faded came to Sacramento at the work at the Rich Barber back about how many years ago?
2017.
2017.
Yeah.
And before that, he kept hitting me up through like YouTube and Instagram. And
Yeah, he responded with his phone number.
yeah. And then eventually he started texting me, and then eventually he just showed up in Sacramento, and I was like, I thought he just came to say what's up, and I was like, when you going back? He was like, I'm not. And man, he said he slept outside for it.
Yeah, I didn't want to ask him for, like, can I sleep by your house? You know, I didn't have a place to stay for one night. So, but I embraced it. I enjoyed the journey.
Made it happen, man. And now look at him, he teaching classes. He was just standing up on stage teaching a class, so keep doing your thing, my nigga.
Likewise. Great to see you, bro.
JT. What's up, boy? I need something to shut. I seen him post. I think I got an email, nigga. I was like, this motherfucker's sick. Man, you grab some of these. Extra large is left?
My nigga, hold on, man.
It's cool. I mean, fine. It's cool. It took a while.
Hey, fuck on, man. This man held it down in motherfucking Sacktown, and now he's stepping into my motherfucking city, and he's holding it down. Okay?
Yeah.
I just hold it down on the golf course. Ray,
we trying to get the story, the inspiration behind starting the brand.
behind the anti-broke. It was really awesome. Let's print this shit out. Let's just try that shit.
So at first we just made the t-shirt. We actually made anti-social barbers club.
And somebody
And so you know the angry barber? We went crazy the next day. Like people going crazy. He stole that from we just made a shirt. So next thing you know, we just changed the shirt to Anti-Broke Barbers Club. We're selling the tees. And then, you know, we do the class tour. He was doing the tour, so we switched the name to that. And then it just
that shit took off. It's like 1,900 ambassadors now.
What? Registered.
1,900 registered.
All signed up.
Yeah, bro, it's crazy.
When they sue us, that means we know we big enough.
Yeah, a cease and desist.
We know we made it.
We get a cease and desist.
Cease and desist. All I gotta do is change the logo.
You're a badass cat, bro.
Y'all barbers? Where y'all barber at? Huh?
Shipwreck.
What's that?
Well, different Riverside, Corona, Marietta.
Okay, does someone work at your shop that went to a barber school in Ontario above the rest?
Above what?
Above the rest?
don't know. Why?
Because your shop, like we talked about it in barber school, and I swear I know someone that works.
I'll buy your book,
Felipe?
though.
You got the book?
Yeah,
How you like it?
It's probably Felipe.
I think Felipe. Felipe, he worked at
He did an instructor too.
Paul Mitchell. He was an instructor. Ontario. Yeah, I don't know. Most important thing you got out of it.
And I think the beginning of it was like keep going, even though don't give up, keep going. Even though you think your shit sucks, keep going.
And what did that do for you approaching your craft with that mindset? What did that do for you?
Well, I feel like
What happened when you kept going?
Well, I got better.
You got better.
Yeah, but I didn't think of it so much, you know, like.
You just knew you was going through that process and that you was just each day you was gonna get better, and that's what matters.
But then also I read in the beginning. So when I was reading the book, it was like, okay, you use certain clippers and trimmers or whatever, but it mattered, but it didn't matter.
Yeah.
Almost, right?
Well, yeah. I mean, when you mean the clippers that you use, you want good tools and you want to keep your tools maintained. But you also want to have a systematic cutting method that you can rely on. Oh, there you go. There you go.
You know what I'm saying?
There you go.
I'm
hungry, nigga.
Hey, man, my phone's in the car too. Yeah, sorry.
Sweet.
How you?
Good, I'm good.
Hello, how are you? What's your name? Universal.
What's up, bro? How you doing?
I love your book, man.
That's what's up. We were just talking about it, man. What you love about it, man? What part you love the most?
Like it cools me, motivates me to be a better person, barber, upgrades my whole life.
Just the whole package, everything. Just you being a better person and growing as an individual, and that reflects in your barber career and in your life. That's what you're saying? Hell yeah.
Hey man, you mind if I take a picture?
No, we can't. Come on.
I was like, yo, check it out. You gotta check this book out. It's the Rich Barber Method. He goes, okay. Grabs. Well, yeah. I saw how he put in the work. 1 year later, from coming into the barbershop, cutting hair for 4 months, to not less than 12 months. This man is booked all day now. He started charging $30, $35. He's charging $50 now, $50, $60. This man definitely. I seen how he grabbed that game and learned to apply it well.
That's what's up. The application is everything. Hell yeah. Thanks for sharing that, bro. Can you take? You want to take a photo? Yeah.
Yo, what's up, family? What's up? Yeah.
You know, Julius Zane, boy. I know you're killing it with the colors. He's just killing it all around. The whole game, man. That's the boy right there.
Can I have your autograph, sir? Can I have your autograph?
Big cuz in the building. Big cuz.
I need your autograph.
Let's do it.
Fuck, I don't want your goddamn autograph.
God
I
damn
want you to go play.
Real quick before you go, any golden nuggets, bro? Any golden nuggets? I just stepped into the industry, bro. I'm like, you're in.
Oh, get a model. Make sure, I don't know if you read my book, The Rich Barber Method, but I would check it out because you want to make sure you build your business on a solid foundation that you can really go high with. You don't want to start off because you're going to have to destroy the shit and redo it and start off on the wrong way.
How you doing? I'm good. Nice to meet you, man. Actually, I run a barber college in Bakersfield, man.
Okay,
I read your guys' book. I read your book, man. I loved it, bro. It helps a lot, man. It gets me me because every Tuesday, I only teach there on Tuesdays. I run it on Tuesdays, but I run it a lot. And so your book really helped me whenever I need things that I need to think about and I want to talk to the students about, because you know how it is, man. You get that cosmetology book, it's the shaving, the steps, the this, the that. But we need more guys like you out there to show us like what the real side of it is, what the business side of it was, and everything like that. You know what I mean?
There's nothing doper to me than symmetry, bro.
Else in town will come to my class. Like they're all like old school. They don't do no social media, nothing new. Yeah, like vacuum Austin. Doing a class, yeah.
But so some people are coming then.
Yeah, I mean, we got tickets outside of there.
Oh, but nobody.
Nobody local will come. It's super
Why
old.
is that?
Super old school, and like they don't like what we're doing because it's, you know, the new stuff. Yeah, it's that old. They use the 76s with the vacuum on it.
What up?
Reverend Dixon.
Reverend, I'm here to praise all the barbers. Yeah, because I was doing something else. I had some shit to do at the comedy club, all that stuff. So I just came here as soon as I finished that.
This the funniest barber right here.
Yeah, man. Yeah, and this is the entrepreneurial king. This dude is so good that I steal his shit. He don't know, but I look at his Amazon and I copy and paste every goddamn thing.
Shit.
So,
you ain't the only one, my nigga. You ain't the only one, but yeah, this is my dog, man.
So I'm the half-rich barber.
It was a cool little vibe, second year coming. Seeing a lot of familiar faces, networking, spreading love, knowledge, and yeah, it was cool. It was a cool experience.
BarberCon, amazing event, I would say. Like I was saying earlier, I just like, interacting with new people, learning about new products, etc., and making these deep connections. And I was watching Chuka doing his thing as well. That was definitely inspirational. I want to do the same thing my way, though, of course. But like, all in all, man, the connection that you make with individuals, you already know that's going to make a deeper connection with your clients too, because you're learning about these products, you're learning about how to actually cut in a very way, not a simple way, but a great way, and therefore it translates. Beyond that, shit, I'm having a great time. Come on, BarberCon, it's universal, baby. All love from this side, peace, peace, peace.
We at Joey's in downtown LA. It's called Joey's DTLA.
Okay.
And I like this place because it's a cool vibe. You can see they got the windows that feel opened up. They got the outside open. You got the outside open.
Some bougie vibes, you know what I'm saying? It's active here. It's downtown LA. You never know what you're gonna go get in downtown LA. So it's a solid vibe.
But yeah, so we chilling. We just left BarberCon. It was solid. It was solid. Really, it's always good to connect with barbers and speak. That barber talk, just, tap in with the industry, see what's going on, see kind of what like brands are working on, get update with, people I fuck with. When I hear people read the book and it made a change in their life and they actually like applied it and got results, like that's always good to hear, because that's what I wrote that book for. It was for the industry, I'm not a, you know, I am an author now, but it wasn't something I really wanted to do like that, but it was something that I felt like the industry needed. So to actually still hear people are like using it and applying and getting results is always good.
I know when I started going to school with everything, and then I saw what you got going on. Mind you, I was brand new to the barber game at that space, but hearing people that were just charging like $25, $20, $15 for a haircut, and then having like a rich mindset to be like, hey, like you can actually build wealth from this.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That was nowhere to be found. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Yours came out was just like, oh shit, this is the way to be. Okay, this is the way to act. Okay, this is gotta get money. Okay, I seen it switched. You know what I mean, in a positive way in that manner. You know what I mean?
When you look good, you feel good. When you feel good, they pay good.
I like that.
Get over here with that shit.
Yeah. Got it? Oh yeah. So we got hummus with some vegetables and some pita bread.
Some burnt pita bread.
Yeah.
Some burnt pita bread.
Pita chips. Pita chips. Oh, good, bro. Look how much wasabi they gave me. They gave me enough for 1.5 pieces. I like to feel that burn. Oh, the wasabi.
Get the steak and sushi, bro. Avocado, salmon.
I got the sushi avocado roll. Sushi avocado roll.
I got earth bowl. I got an earth bowl.
Also, I'll be doing a giveaway, so make sure to comment in the comment section. I'll be choosing random comments to give away something too. And make sure to comment because I'm gonna be doing a random giveaway to some random commenters. I wanna thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to hit that notification bell for an alert for all my future videos. Thanks again, catch me next time. I'm out. YouTube, what's good? It's Chuka the Barber here. I wanna thank y'all for helping me hit 200,000 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without y'all. We're gonna keep it popping, all right? So like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Help me hit that 300K, all right? I'm here, giving y'all good game knowledge and information 3 times a week. I'm out, peace.